carriers appeared during World War I. These ships carried seaplanes almost exclusively, which were lowered onto the sea by cranes. Modern aircraft carriers have evolved from these ships, and by World War II they became masters of the oceans due to their armaments and range. With their airstrips, these behemoths of the sea were capable of launching aircraft with a wheeled undercarriage. Modern supercarriers are widely referred to as swimming fortresses or cities at sea. With their crew of 5,000 to 6,000, this is certainly accurate. The design of the ship serves two basic purposes: to ensure stability and to provide a sufficiently long deck for aircraft to take off and land. The superstructure of a carrier is called the control tower, or the island. The top of the island is outfitted with radars, antennas, and other communication and navigation instruments. Below these are the primary flight control center and the bridge, the ship's command center. The flight deck is the main level. It is usually 200 to 300 meters long and 70 to 80 meters wide. Below that is the main hangar deck, where aircraft and other military equipment is stored. The level below that is occupied by the Combat Direction Center. The engine rooms and storage rooms are further below. There are several elevators for aircraft, weapons, cargo, and crew. The kitchen, or galley, the dining hall, or mess hall, and the sleeping quarters are also important parts of a carrier. Hangar decks are separated into different hangar bays by removable bulkheads, wall panels, to stop the potential spread of fire. The carrier's armaments are installed on the top deck or embedded in the hull. Lifeboats are also stored there. The USS Tarawa, named after a Pacific atoll that was the site of a battle during World War II, was commissioned in 1976 by the U.S. Navy. She measured 250 meters in length and 32 meters in width. The carrier was operated by a crew of more than 2,000. Her impressive range of weapons was rounded out by 35 helicopters and 8 Harrier fighter jets. The ship was decommissioned in 2009.